The new under-counter range from Kingfisher is available as two models, a 400mm glass washer for up to 16 pint glasses and a 500mm dishwasher capable of washing 540 plates per hour. These European-made machines represent incredible value with outstanding performance, top energy efficiency and a 1-year labour warranty included as standard. Easy to use with simple selection of programs which start automatically when the door is closed. It also features an automatic drain pump for easy clearing down at the end of the day. The high-grade stainless steel construction, double-skin door and all European components make this machine perfect for everyday intensive use. The twin filter system ensures the drain and wash pump feeds are separate, stopping debris from causing a blockage when draining down at the end of the day. A high-performance wash pump and insulated boiler ensure fast heat-up times, great washing results and much lower energy use. Electronic dosing pumps are standard and all settings, including temperature, can easily be adjusted under the cover at the front of the machine.